Hey guys, canceling subscription on Protonmail is pretty easy to do. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open Protonmail in any web browser. Make sure you are logged in. After that, tap on Settings from the top and select Go to Settings. It will take you to your settings window from where you will see Dashboard. As I don't have any active plan running, so I will just show you the process on how you can cancel your subscription. So now on dashboard you will see your current plan. Underneath your plan you will see two options, and from there you need to tap on explore other Proton plans. Now from here you need to tap on select free, which is the free plan, and after that you need to select confirm to continue, and then you will see a message that says you have successfully unsubscribed. So this is basically how you cancel your subscription on Protonmail.